Hi guys, I'm doing question 12. Um, Haddon versus City of Gatlinburg. Based on the facts and background information available in the opinion, what kind of lawsuit did the Haddon family bring against the city? A direct action is like a protest or something like that, and that didn't happen in this case. A nuisance action, I thought about that one because it was kind of a hassle because construction began. And let me just give you a background. So the shareholders, wife and husband, leased property, and all of a sudden, operation of restaurant business, and there was an action brought. So when you read the Haddon versus City of Gatlinburg, it says nuisance action against city seeking damages sustained by restaurant. So that gave me the clue right there that that might be it. But I said, let me read further. Let me find out what a representative action is, because I didn't know the actual meaning for representative action. I Googled it. And a representative action is a class action known as a class action lawsuit, a type of lawsuit where one of the parties is a group of people who are represented collectively by a member of that group. So class action lawsuit didn't seem, representative action, same thing, didn't seem like it would be the answer. People who are represented collectively by a member of the group. So a contract action, I said, well, let me see, because that sounds more like a contract because it has something to do with property. So it was between the nuisance action and the contract action. And so I had to kind of find out what a contract action is. And it's resulted in a contract including actions for additional supplies or services outside the existing contract. So it's not having to do anything with what kind of lawsuit this is, even though they had a contract, for the property. This is actually a nuisance action happening in Haddon versus City of Gatlinburg.